Okay, now let's learn the while loop. So I will make while and let's create the loop here. I will make let x equals 0 and here I will have to pass the condition if x less than no less than or equal to 10, the while loop will be work. So I will console log. I will here add like x is like this. Actually, yeah, I have to add the backticks. Now this is a good part, so I just save it. When I save it, so this while loop is continually looping and it's infinite loop, and I can break it by clicking here. So it will work until I break it. So what happened is the x is less than and equal to 10, and then it log the x value and it will continue the loop because x is always 0. So what we can do is we can make x increment like this, not like this. And now if we test this, let's refresh the server. Okay, let's remove this one and start it again. Then go to inspect and here I will remove this and now save it. Okay, now as the for loop we got the same result, and here we can also use the break keyword to break this. So if we break it like if x equal 3 console log x, let's make x is x and close the backticks, and here I will add break keyword. Sorry, break keyword like this, and now it will break when it hit 3. So this is how we can use while loop. And when we use while loop, always make sure that if this parameter get value as true, it will loop infinitely.